point, and so hopefully you can all be out on deck now to see this jaw-dropping view. This has to be one of the most spectacular glaciers and one of the most beautiful places on Earth. Come on out to a railing because we really won't be here all that long. We're already starting our spin, and the ship will pivot while we're here. So take full advantage of our precious time in view of Johns Hopkins Glacier. I get so many questions from visitors when we get to this spot. So I kind of want to do some brief introduction. One of the most common questions has to do with where it got its name. So I'm going to go over some of the information like that. But I have a question for you first. How far do you think we are, the ship, from the face of the glacier? How far do you think that distance is between this ship and the face? So you can think about that. Where did it get its name? It was named after the university. In Baltimore, Maryland, there's Johns Hopkins University. And from that school came one of the earlier researchers that came to study glaciers in Glacier Bay, a man named Harry Fielding Reid. Remember, our first look at a glacier today was at Reid Glacier. So this man named this glacier in 1890. He did one of the first mappings. He named it after his alma mater. And that school did give him some funding for his research trip out here. It's named after the school. Size. We are at the Johns Hopkins Glacier right now. So Johns Hopkins Glacier at its face is similar to Marjorie. It's 1 mile wide with 250 feet of height above the water line at the face. Now this glacier is 12 and a half miles long. It is on a very steep slope. So it's amazing to see the tall mountains today. Right up behind Johns Hopkins Glacier, that snow-covered white peak that's just framing everything, that is Mount Orville. It is 10,000 feet, 10,500 feet. But right, how far are we from that glacier?
Say a mile.
5 miles.
Really?
Then you'd be correct.
Wow.
But of all the numbers I have, the most impressive is the flow rate of Johns Hopkins Glacier. It is on a steep slope. It is flowing fast. Every day it moves 15 feet.
Wow.
That's why there's so much ice in the water, even more so than at Marjorie. It flows down into the water every day, 15 feet. So enjoy the spin. Very soon you will see the glacier from the starboard side, the right-hand side. And I'll come back to tell you what I think makes this glacier so special.